The business resource I chose to present is the Occupational Outlook Handbook. It's done by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, part of the United States Department of Labor, so this is a government website. It gives different information, details, statistics, and more resources for several different careers. So you can look at the careers by the occupational groups. You can also search using filters. They have a featured occupation that changes. And you can also browse by highest paying, fastest growing, or most new jobs. In addition, they have an FAQ section, a glossary to define terms that you may not know, as well as a teacher's guide. So if you know the career you want to research, you can type it in the search bar and then click the link, and it will take you to a summary of the profession. It gives you quick facts, a short video, and then there are different tabs that you can click on for different information. They have what they do, so the job duties, as well as the different types of librarians there are. They have a tab for work environment, what the schedule is like. Also have how to be a librarian, what they would need, what kind of education, licenses, certifications. They also have statistics about the average pay, as well as job outlooks, projected growth. Then they have data for different states and areas. Each of these links will go into more detail. There's also a list of similar occupations that may not be quite a librarian but are related, and then more information. So links to different sites or resources that might be useful for people who are librarians or who are looking to be librarians. Each page also has a suggested citation at the bottom, so you can cite your sources. I think this would be a great resource to pair with a career fair for students to do more research and get more detail about the careers they're looking at. And it would also be really helpful if they needed to do some research for a project or presentation on a specific